BMW Vision M Next displays the future of BMW's M cars. This car harkens to BMWs of the past and present. The first thing you notice about this car is its striking orange and gray design, and the illuminated kidney grills with the BMW logo integrated within them. And this car pays homage to some very special BMW sports cars: the Turbo concept from the 70s, the M1 from the late 70s, and the BMW i8. Now, if you think the exterior is amazing and special, then wait till you see the interior, because then it becomes otherworldly. First, the interior styling is very driver centric and very simplistic in its design, with the memory foam seats being integrated within the carbon bucket and a steering wheel that is so far within the future I can't even explain it. The transparent curved glass display with fully augmented reality heads-up graphics, adaptive driver mode for intuitive, interactive, and a driving experience like none before it. Now, this car is beautiful and amazing on the inside and the outside, but what is its powers and capabilities? This car has 600 horsepower and can do 0 to 60 in under 3 seconds with a top speed of 186 miles per hour. So it isn't just a good looking car, it is a capable one. With that being said, let me tell you how this car came to be. This car was the winner of a contest between designers within BMW. The entire process took about 18 months, with the car finally being unveiled in 2019. Now, I know of only one of these cars being built, and I don't know how functional that car actually is. Finally, you're wondering, when is this car coming? When can you buy one? BMW hasn't really put a date on this car. This car is to show what the future may be for the M car. Knowing this is a concept car, a lot about it can change, though the road version of the i8 was a lot like the concept. Rumor has it that this car was to be the replacement for the i8 in 2023, but with the global pandemic of 2020 and 2021, that idea was shelved. It's been stated that a lot of people within the automotive industry feel that a global crisis isn't the right time to sell an expensive sports car. Once again, this being the replacement to the i8 was only a rumor. We may never know what the i8 replacement was because it has been shelved, like I've stated, and we really don't know if that car will ever come off the shelf. We never know what's gonna happen until it actually happens. So fingers crossed, and we'll see a car like this on the road in the near future. So there you have it, the BMW Vision M. Do you think this would have been a great successor to the i8? Because I know a lot of people have been clamoring for M version of the i8, and for some reason BMW has never delivered. Maybe because it was a hybrid, or maybe they feel that the M brand belongs to a certain type of car that the i8 just wasn't. I have no clue what the thinking is in BMW. Tell me, would you be excited for an M version of the i8, or do you think they need to move on from that car completely? Let me know in the comments, and if you like these WTF videos, make sure to subscribe to the channel, check out the playlist, like the video if you like the video. And with that said, I like to bring this video to a close, so I'll catch you guys in the next one.